Hey everybody, today we're going to practice subtraction by breaking apart. So we have 32 and we need to subtract 25. You always start with your ones. If I have two ones in the number 32 and I need to cross out 5, I don't have enough. So the number 32 is going to be broken apart. Just like when we have base 10 blocks and we had a stick of 10, we broke into 10 ones. That's exactly the same thing I'm going to do here, except for I'm going to use the numbers that they show instead of the base 10 blocks. So when I separate 32 and I want to decompose, that makes the 10s only have two sticks of 10, which is 20, and the 2 becomes a 12. So that's just like 32, cross out a stick of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm showing this number here. This is 20. This is 20. I have 12 ones. I have 12 ones. This number 25 is still 20 and 5. So now I can subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7, and 20 minus 20 is 0. So when I do it over here, just to make sure I'm doing it right, I cross out 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 2 sticks of 10. 1, 2. And I should be left with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is breaking apart to subtract.